All right, you're welcome to Online Cash. This is Sam Smart YouTube channel, and you're welcome to Making Money Online. You can see all we're talking about today is video mine. How to make money online by watching video and also referring to earn. So this is my dashboard here, Ejim Samuel, earning balance zero, and video mine point you can see 2150 naira. So these people pay almost 400 every day. There is a sign up bonus which is 1100 naira. The first registration bonus, you can see it here. Whenever you register, you can see it here. You can see it here. So when you register, you get your 1100 naira, and you complete some tasks and earn some cash again. So you will be completing some tasks, referring people and earning money here in your earnings. When you refer, you earn money here in your earnings. While when you complete the tasks, you earn money here in your video mine points. So let's see how this thing works. You go to your dashboard and watch sponsored, this thing sponsored. Let's go to sponsored. Say sponsored. Today is 16 of December. You can see it, 16 of December. So all you need to do is to just click here and go to your WhatsApp. You can see it written here. Everybody can see it. Look at it. This is what you're going to do. You go to your WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp. Post it here on your status. You're writing nothing, just post for your viewers to see. Refresh these applications one again. Sorry, this website once again. And you still go back to your profile menu. You see my money has now increased to 2,350 naira. That's for the sponsored post. I get an increase of, is it 100 naira or one? Should be 100 naira. Oh, 200. So you're watching video. Although I've already watched today's video. Let's see. You will see a link directing you to go and watch video on YouTube. In YouTube, sorry. Watch video. Watch videos. You can see today is 16. Okay, December. Let me go to my watch video and see. This is the place. You click and open with YouTube. They will still be discussing on how you're going to earn money with the website. So we can just wait for a moment and see. Register for free. Choose from over 200,000 vehicles online. Get your car straight from your. Okay, what's this? Right now I'm completing my own task. You can see this is what they order me to watch for today. On the Africa video man, this is the proof that some people showing me that some people are making withdrawal. And so also you can see it. So I've now completed my own task for today, being 16th of December. Alright, what I'm going to do is to just go back to my profile. You can see the money will increase. You see, I'm having 2,500 now. So you will need to get to know this thing more whenever you let me say log out watch. You need to get to know this thing more whenever you register. The registration is 2,000 naira, which is for the coupon code. You will get me by the number written on the screen. For more information, you get me on the number written by the screen from my WhatsApp, or you make a call, then I will respond to you for new registration. So you will see I'm going to explain more about the application again. And sorry, I'm saying application, about the new registration, about the website. See, all you need to provide is your first name, last name, username, password, email, phone number. One thing you need to know more about is LML team. This LML team allows you to, all the registration is 2,000. So this LML team is only for the referral. You only refer people. You refer 2 people and get more and get money. The registration bonus for this one is different with the affiliate. You doing affiliate, you're going to be watching and earning, and also signing people into the application. For more information about the VideoMine stuff, and I will be leaving a description for your registration. I will be leaving a link for the registration. If you know more about the registration, you can just follow my link and register. And so also, if you need to know more about the website VideoMine, you can call me using this number 08117864902. This is the number you're going to use and call me, or you give me a message. And I'll respond to you shortly. This is the number you're going to use and give me a message on WhatsApp, or you use it and call me for more information about anything, registration, withdrawal, how the VideoMine works, and so on and so forth. And if you want to text me, to text my email listing. You want to text me through email, you can go through Ejim Samuel 1229 at gmail.com. So as I said, you can just follow through this email and text me, or you can go through the number, text my WhatsApp, or you can call me. Subscribe to my channel, and also give a like, and so also click the notification button for more information about any updated website application that will be dropping for online money making stuff. I will be ready to share my view with all of you. You're welcome. Thank you.